Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you 9 ways to speed up your PC. So the first thing you can do is you can physically clean your computer. That's all I can really tell you. And now the second thing is there's 2 ways to do this. You can write startup apps and you switch off the apps that you don't need that will boot up as soon as your computer also boots up. Now this is the first way to do it. And the second way to do it is, I showed this in a previous video, you have to open Task Manager. How to do that? You click Control Shift Escape. And you can also go to your startup apps right here. And you disable everything that you don't need. Now, second thing you can do is you can have a plain wallpaper. For example, a plain black wallpaper. And that will be using less of your graphics. Then, you click Windows R and you write this percentage temp percentage. Click OK, and then you can hit Control A in order to select all of these files, right click on it, and you delete these temporary files that your PC does not need. Then you click do this for all current items and skip. And then you go to your recycle bin, empty recycle bin, and delete all of that. Next thing you can do, which I also showed in a previous video, is you can once again click Windows R, but then you write MRT. Then click OK. You click Yes. Then you click Next, and you can do a quick scan for viruses on your computer. And as you can see here, it says scans areas of the system most likely to contain malicious software. If malicious software is found, you may be prompted to run a full scan. And what you have to do is click Next and it will start the scan. Next thing you can do is you can go to your search bar and you write defragment and optimize drives. What you do here is you select your drive and you click on optimize. Next thing you can also do is you can open File Explorer, you can go to this PC and you can also check how much space you have free. Now I have Windows installed on my local disk C. I need to check if there is only 50 gigabytes left. I should probably delete some things that I don't need off of my disk, and this will speed up your computer. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next tech tip.